Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 11. In that we will see the chapter innings, so that is constructed parallelogram, whose diagonals are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and the angle between them is 75 degree. So this is the rough sketch. I'll show you how to do this one with the help of the construction. So these are the steps of construction. And actually, this is the construction, but this is not with the actual measurement. You can do it with the actual measurement, but it should be somewhat like this one. So first thing we will take now this AD with a suitable radius. Then you will take from this point A, we will take 8 centimeter on your compass and draw an arc over here. Later on, this because that is the diagonals are given. This is one of the diagonal and this is the other diagonal. From this one, now you will take the from here, this is the midpoint of it. This is the 4 centimeter. So now see, mark its midpoint here. You will take AC at 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter means this is 4. So you will mark the midpoint over here. From there, you are going to draw one arc over here. So why are we drawing this one? First thing, we are going to do the perpendicular for this one. And later on, we will take, because they said the angle between them is 75 degrees. So first, from this midpoint, we will draw the perpendicular. So we will draw one arc here, take a suitable radius. So whatever the distance you take for this radius, this arc, sorry. So you will, the same distance you will put here and here, you will cut it into parts. Then from this part, you will draw one arc over here. From this one arc, you will draw one arc over here. Later on, you will join this one. So this is the perpendicular for this AC. So now it's given 75. So you know whenever we do perpendicular means this will be 190. The outside is going to be 120 and this arc is going to be 60. So now 75 because the angle between them is 75. So in between 60 and 90, that will be half of it. That is going to be 75 because the difference between this is 90. No, sorry, the 90 minus 60 means that is going to be 30. So 60 plus, so half of it is 15 because for half of 30 is 15. So 60 plus 15, that is going to be 75. So it will come in between 60 and 90. So what are we going to do? We are going to construct for this 75 degree. So now see here, this is the point for 60 and this is the point for 90. So now what will you do? From this point of 60, you will take and you will draw one arc over here. And from this point, from this 90, you will take and you will draw an arc over here. So later on, you will join this and this one. So that is going to be 75. Well, this part is clear to you. So this portion is going to be now 75. So after that, you will take now, because the second, this diagonal is 8 and this is 6. So from this one, from this point, you will take 3 centimeter because we are going to divide. This should be 3 and this also should be 3. So again, you will take on your compass, you will take 3 centimeter. So from this one, you are going to cut it, taking 3 over here as well as over here. So now you are going to, later on, what will you do? You are going to join this line. So now we can say here, see here, that is 3 centimeter from O, construct angle AOB, that is 75, BO is equal to DO, that is B by 2 is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeter. Since diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram. So now what we are going to do, draw BD is equal to, now see here, now this BD, that is 6 centimeter such that O is its midpoint. So later on, because now we know this is here 3, so we are going to join this line. So this is the parallelogram. Construct a square whose diagonal is 6.2 centimeter. So now this is the rough sketch. So we'll see the steps of construction. And this is the construction, but this is not with the actual measurement. So what is said here? whose diagonal is 6.2 centimeters. So you know the square means the sides are going to be the same. So only the diagonal you can take as 6.2. So now suppose here, this is the diagonal, this is, you will take a suitable radius for this one. So now from A, you will take 6.2 and you are going to draw an arc over here. Later on, now you know 6.2 means this will be half of 6.2 is going to be 3.1. From here, you will take 3.1 over here. This will be the midpoint. Here, you are going to take a suitable distance and draw an arc. Same distance you will take, you will draw an arc over here and here. Starting from here, you will put an arc here because we are going to do the perpendicular. From here, you will draw an arc here and you are going to join this one. So now later on, we know because this is a square means this is 6.2 means this also diagonal should be 6.2. So what will you do here? Again on the compass, because this part is going to be 3.1 and this is going to be 3.1. So you will take 3.1 on the compass. So from this one, you will mark over here and you will mark over here. So later on, what are you going to do? So we know this is 6.2. So now you are going to, so marks points B and D. So on this line such that OB is equal to here, and then you are going to join this line. So ABCD is the required square. Construct a rhombus with one side 6.4 centimeter and one of its angle that is 70 degree. So this is the rough sketch of it. These are the steps of construction, and the steps of construction you can also write it in your own words. So now this is the construction, but again this is not with the exact measurement. You can do it with the taking the exact measurement. So now it's given here that with one of the side 6.4 centimeter. So now let us take this AB as 6.4 centimeter, and they have given that one of its angle is 70 degree. So now from here 70 degree, because see here this, if you are taking the perpendicular, this will be 90, and if you are dividing it into two parts, so this will be 120 and this is going to be the 60. If we take even half part of it, this is going to be 75. So 70 is not, we cannot construct 70 degree directly. So you will take with the help of protector, you will take 70 degree, it will be somewhere here, and you are going to draw one line over here. So now this is 6.4 centimeter. So you will again take 6.4 centimeter on your compass, taking the point over here. You will draw an arc by taking the 6.4 over here. Again from here you will take 6.4 and draw an arc over here. And later on you will see that again from here you will take an 6.4 and draw an arc, same over here, and joint called ADDC and this BC. So that is the same thing is given here. AB is 6.4. From A construct 70 degree. From A taking radius as 6.4 centimeter, draw an arc. From B taking radius as 6.4 centimeter, draw an arc, and follow same taking A and C as centers and same radius, draw arcs. So join BC, CD and AD. So therefore ABCD is the required rhombus. Construct a rectangle with one side 3.5 centimeter and one diagonal is 6 centimeter. So now this is the rough sketch of it. These are the steps of construction. So now this one side is 3.5. So now let us consider this AB. This is 3.5 centimeter. And what did they say here? One diagonal is 6 centimeter. So you will take on your compass, you will take 6 centimeter. One thing we can do here, we can also draw the perpendiculars here. So one for A and B. So because now this is a, the rectangle means it will be either this one or it can be like this. So because now this is 3.5 and the diagonal is 6, we can do it vertically. So first thing we will draw the perpendicular line over both the sides on A and B. So from here you will take a suitable radius. Whatever the radius you have taken, the same thing you will take and you will cut this into two parts. Then from here you will draw one arc. From here this arc you are going to draw another arc, and this will be the line. Same here. From here you will draw one arc, and from here you are going to draw the another arc. So this is the other perpendicular. So now what will you do? You will take 6 centimeter in your compass, keep the pointer here, and you are going to draw one arc over here. So now you will see that this, after drawing an arc, you are going to join this one BC. So this will be 6 centimeter. Again, from here to here you will join, that is CD, and you will join this one, and then later on you can measure and see this will be 3.5, this will be 3.5, because this is the perpendicular here. So this will be 6 and this will be 6. So that is a rectangle, the required rectangle. So that is what they have asked. Construct a rectangle with one side 3.5 and one diagonal is 6 centimeter. So these are the steps of construction. You can also write this in your own words. So now they said, just can you construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB is equal to 3 centimeter, CD is equal to 3 centimeter, AD is equal to 7.5, AC is equal to 8, and BD is equal to 4 centimeter, and you have to justify your answer. So now see here, I have done this roughly. Now suppose we are taking here AB. Now look carefully here. If we are taking here AB as 3 centimeter, so this part is done. CD as 3 centimeter. So now what will you do? So now see here, CD directly we cannot do first. Now let us keep this at the side first. Now because now this is A, so now let us take this part first. AD is 7.5. So A, suppose here D, this is 7.5. This is not actually 7.5, but it will be something but what bigger than 3. So this will be suppose here. And then AC is 8. Suppose AC is 8 means this will be it should be a diagonal. It should be a diagonal. The 8 is going to be somewhere here. But what you can see here, that see AC is 8 and CD, again the BD is 4. So the BD is 4. So it will be somewhere over here. BD will be somewhere over here. Just 1 minute. I'll just show you again. Yeah. So the AB, suppose this AB is 3. This part is done. CD will not do it again here directly because we don't have C first here. So we will skip this part for a while. AD, we can see this will be AD 7.5 centimeter. Then if we take AC means somewhere this can be a diagonal also, because A, B and C and D, it should be like this, right? So C should be somewhere here. But if we are taking here C, suppose this is 8. 8 means it will go somewhere here. And then BD is 4. So BD is here 4. It will be here because this is somewhere 8. Means this is not joining this one. Can you see here? And then CD is 3. So this CD is again 3. CD. Again, because now this is 7.5 means this also is a bigger line, and this also 8 means this also means it's not a quadrilateral. It should have joined from here and then it could have joined from here, but it is going in made of it here because it is 4, and so this is not possible to construct. So we can say that we cannot construct a quadrilateral, because what we can say is, we can write the reason as well, because the measurements are not perfectly matching. So this is the answer for that, because there's a justify your answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.